Are you are you a are you a dental practice owner struggling to grow your B2B sales? What if I told you there's a way to revolutionize your business with just one strategy? Stay tuned because today we are diving into why AI is the game changer your practice is missing. Who am I and why should you listen? Hi, I'm Tony Koenig. I specialize in helping businesses, dental practices like yours, leverage cutting-edge technology to scale and thrive. Having worked with numerous dental practices, I've seen firsthand how AI can transform the way you attract clients, manage relationships, and boost revenue. And now I want to share these insights with you. Let's start with the basics of AI or artificial intelligence. It is no longer just for tech giants. It's being used by dental practices to automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and even predict client behavior, patient behavior. Imagine saving hours of manual work while increasing your sales efficiency. Sounds amazing, right? Here's why it matters in B2B sales. Because B2B sales in dentistry often involve securing partnerships with suppliers, labs, and even corporate clients. AI tools can help identify the best leads, personalize communication, and follow up more efficiently. In fact, businesses that use AI in sales reports or AI in sales report a 50% increase in lead generation and conversion rates. That's huge for your practice bottom line. Second take. Here's why it matters. B2B sales in dentistry often involve securing partnerships with suppliers, labs, and even corporate clients. AI tools can help identify the best need or the best leads, personalize communication, and follow up more effectively. In fact, businesses that use AI in sales report a 50% increase in lead generation and conversion rates. That alone is worth the money, let me tell you that. That's huge for your practice's bottom line, isn't it? Picture this. You are a dental practice owner trying to partner with a local lab. Instead of endless emails, an AI tool analyzes your communications history, suggests the perfect follow-up time, and even draft a message tailored to their interest. This can make the difference between closing the deal or losing it. With our AI lead generation tool, we enrich the data. So the tool will go and find the leads, it will search the internet, and then it will use ChatGPT to compile a profile on the lead. And that profile is then used in the communication to actually personalize it. So you go out in an email, in a text, in a WhatsApp with hyper personalized conversations or information, and this client will see you and it falls in the show me you know me category, and you're more like a warm lead or a warm referral than a cold outreach. So that is what makes the difference with this. So how do you get started with AI? Getting started is simpler than you think. Begin with tools that integrate seamlessly with your current CRM or marketing software. Look for platforms designed for small to medium businesses, so you're not overwhelmed with the features you don't need. Give me a call, book a meeting with me, and I can advise you there as to the very best platform to use, one that is a command center for all of these tools that are necessary. You know, if this sounds like something your dental practice could benefit from, why not book a free call with me? I'd love to help you figure out how AI can work for your unique needs. AI isn't the future anymore. It's now, it's the present. The sooner you adopt an AI strategy, the sooner you'll see your dental practice grow. So take that first step today, click below, book a call, and let's start your AI-powered success story. I'll chat to you in the call. We'll see you in the next video.